Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to hide page title in WordPress. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. And then, once you're in your internet browser, head on over to wordpress.com and make sure you have already logged into your account so you can easily follow along the instructions. Once you're in WordPress, scroll down and look for plugins. It has a plug icon. Once you find it, tap on it. And then in here, you can use the search bar. And then on the search bar, look for title remover. Once you're done searching, you're going to scroll down this time to locate the title remover. This one over here, look for the same one over at your screens as well, so that we would be on the same page. Once you find it, the next option is just to click on it with your left mouse button. Over here, you're going to click on the icon that says Upgrade and Activate. Then, you have to do it again and click on Upgrade and Activate Plugin. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading. In here, you will need to subscribe to WordPress Upgrade so that you'll be able to use some of their plugins. Now, if you already subscribed, all you have to do is add this one. It's pretty easy. Once you click on the buttons, there will now be steps on how to easily integrate it over to your WordPress account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.